Alright, this is my first, I guess, we're on cream box now.
Uh-oh.
Not too often does this happen. Nobody buys sneakers like that anymore. Nobody gets them on sneakers app, sadly. But I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to attempt for a pair of shoes this past week. And your boy hit. Hey, this box is actually clean. Right. Oh, whew. Oh, dang. Jarrito dunk. Oh, damn. They weren't playing on anything on this. Let's get a look at the tongue. Insole is going nuts. Let's see, is it just as easy to snatch insoles out nowadays, or? Oh, wait. We'll go on the insole. Nice and clean here. Oh, this is definitely a shoe. I was told either a tearaway, so I'm gonna have to have somebody. Oh, and then on the other back panel, we got the logo came with. Gosh, this is 4 sets of laces actually. The white that it came with, the extra pair of white laces, the green, and then the orange laces. They weren't playing with this. Little bottom, nothing too crazy. Orange stitching, side logo. Probably have these cut off. I believe it's the orange under. Same thing with the green swoosh. There's also some under. Me myself, I wouldn't do the cutting because I am like a kindergartner with sharp objects. That's just not happening. All right.